Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon all of you. My dear first class students, today discuss about the time from your activity book, volume 3, page number 21. Listen carefully beta. See here, what time is it? What time is it? This is, see here, my brother and I watched Tom and Jerry. My brother and I watched Tom and Jerry. నేను మరియు మా బ్రదర్ టామ్ అండ్ జెర్రీని ఏం చేస్తున్నాం చూస్తున్నాం టీవీలో. ఎప్పటి నుండి? ఫ్రమ్ 8 in the evening. See here, the hour sign shows 8 in the evening. Evening means 8 p.m. Then you can write here 8 p.m. Okay? In the evening for 1 hour. ఒక గంట చూశారట బయట. ఎంతసేపు చూశారు? 1 hour చూశారు. See here, what time did the show finish? Draw the time. So 8 o'clock they can start the Tom and Jerry program. See here, they were watching 1 hour. So what is the time now? 1 hour. So 1 hour means right after 8 o'clock p.m. after they can watching 1 hour. Means here write down 8 plus 1 hour. See here, look at the blackboard. 0, 0, semicolon, 8 plus 1, 9. So 1 is added to 8, you can get 9. Then you can write the show finished at 9 p.m. Write down everybody. 9 p.m. So you can show that the hours hand, it can show number 9 on the clock, and the minutes hand can show 12. Number 12. That's it. Now next one, see beta. We went out for games class at 3 in the evening. 3 in the evening means in the evening means 3 o'clock p.m. In the evening, when I was the class over, see here, I went out for games class at 3 in the evening for 1 hour. So 3 o'clock they went outside for the games class. Okay, so they started at 3 p.m. So the class is going on 1 hour. So what we get? 3 plus 1 hour. 0, 0. 4 beta. The games class was over at 4 p.m. Everybody draw this slide for me. The hours hand represents number 4 in this clock. The minutes hand represents number 12 in this clock. So time is 4 p.m. in the evening. Now next, see, this is very important problem. Better listen carefully. See here, we have a lunch break from 12 noon for 1 hour. 12 noon means the hours hand and also the minutes hand. So lie on 12. It represents both hands, number to 12 in this class. See here, what is the time? 12 p.m. Noon means p.m. See here, the lunch break finished at see here. Now listen. 12 p.m. plus 1 hour beta. 12 p.m. plus 1 hour means the hour sign move to the next number, no? 1 o'clock means here 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 13. 13, this is the 24 hours clock. So 13 hours means this is 24 hours clock. The 24 hours clock is converted to 12 hours clock. It can be written as, that is equals to, this is hours here 1 p.m. Write down everybody. 1 p.m. 1 p.m. means the hours hand represents number 1, the minutes hand represents number 12 on this slide. So 1 o'clock, that is p.m. Now next, everybody take your activity book volume 3. See here, activity book volume 3, page number 22. Draw hands in each clock to indicate the given time. See, first one, Discovery Channel, program Cats and Dogs, time 8 o'clock beta. See here, this is 12, 6, 9, 3. So this is in this clock there is no numbers. See here. First, what is the time now? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means you can write the hours hand exactly positioned represents yet numbered 8 and the minutes hand represents it can shows number to 12 in this clock. Next clock 2. So here 12, 9, 6, 3. 12, 3, 6, 9. What is time now? So 8. 8 means this is 6, 7, 8 here better. So this is hours hand 8, 12. Now next clock 3, 8 o'clock. See here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Write down everybody. Now next Discovery Channel completed now. National Geographic Channel. So Hills program name Hills time 5 o'clock beta.
ఒకటి ఇవ్వండి వీళ్ళకి రాపిస్తారు పేరెంట్ వెయిట్ చేస్తుంది పంపిస్తారు
See here 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock means see this is 3, 4, 5. Then you can draw this like only.
ఇది మీకు ఏమైనా అవసరమా ఇది ఇస్తున్నా ఇది ఒకటి చూడు
See now clock 2. So 5 o'clock means 3. This is 4, 5 here beta. Everybody draw. Now next clock 3. Digital clock no? No. So all numbers are there. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 o'clock. The hours hand represents a number to 5 and the minutes hand represents a number to 12 in this clock. Now next one is Pago channel program Tom and Jerry time 12 o'clock. See here time 12 o'clock Tom and Jerry. So first clock 12. Where is 12 beta? This is 12. The hours and also the minutes hand light numbered 3 at exactly position. Now next here 12, 3, 6, 9. See here. Both hands you can draw. Next clock 3. So 12. Next one is CN means Cartoon Network channel. Program name Donald Duck. 11 o'clock. So where is 11? I think here. The hour sign it can shows numbered 11 means here. Next one is clock 3. 12. Write down everything. Draw. Now next, Disney channel. So program name is Doraemon. What is the time? 6 o'clock better. Clock 1, clock 2, clock 3. See here, 6 o'clock means the hour hands can represents or it can shows numbered 6 in this clock, and the minutes hand means longer hand it can shows or represents numbered 12 in this clock. Now next here, now clock 3. Clock 1, clock 2, clock 3. Okay, beta. Today our class is completed. Thank you to all.